welcome to Dwell Village Melbourne City, the ultimate student fun. It's so secure, so if you don't have a key card, you can get it in. Do you have the key card? Here's my work sign. We've got posters up for all the weekly activities, and this is my reception. My favorite spot here, Slay. Here is the kitchen, when we usually whip up dinner and a snack for everyone. Follow my besties. Here is the playroom where you can game on the PS4. Oops. Anyway, you can practice all your skills at table tennis, pool, and football. Let me show you one of the best rooms in the whole place. This is the double shade room, so you can read with your bestie to create epic friendship memories. This is the balcony for sipping coffee and spilling tea. This is the cinema room, perfect for a chill hangout for friends. What can I say? It's properly lit. This is the study room. I love this place because it's very demure, very mindful. You can work solo, in groups, or prep for a presentation. Here is the pool area, and also there is the barbecue area too. We are run fun, different activities for everyone. But here, we still don't know yet, but we are planning a circuit challenge for them with pricing and all of the stuff, so it's gonna be epic. Dwell Village Melbourne Central is a unique and magical place where you can make friends. Also has easy access for public transport and universities. Come and check out our vibrant community. You will feel right at home.